You want to use Linux but think it's not good enough for gaming or content creation? Or maybe you like Fedora's stability but don't want to waste time setting everything up from scratch? Then let me introduce you to Nobara Project, a Fedora-based Linux distro made specifically for gamers and content creators. Gaming ready out of the box. Unlike most Linux distributions that require extra setup for gaming, Nobara Project comes fully loaded with everything you need to start playing right away. It includes Steam, Wine, Proton, Lutris, and more, all pre-installed and configured. But that's not all. Nobara includes kernel-level performance tweaks designed to reduce input latency and improve overall frame rates. Whether you're playing native Linux games or using Proton to run Windows games, Nobara offers one of the best plug-and-play gaming experiences on Linux. If you're tired of fighting your OS to get a game running, Nobara just works. Perfect for streamers and creators. Nobara isn't just about gaming, it's also tailored for content creators. Whether you're streaming on Twitch, recording gameplay for YouTube, editing videos, or working with 3D design, Nobara provides an ideal toolkit. It includes OBS Studio with special patches to improve compatibility and performance, as well as full support for DaVinci Resolve, Blender, and Kdenlive. You don't have to hunt for codecs or configure your GPU manually. Everything is tuned for creative work. Even Nvidia NVENC is ready out of the box, making recording and streaming smooth and efficient. If you're a gamer and a creator, Nobara saves you hours of post-install setup. Hassle-free Nvidia support. Nvidia on Linux has always been a pain until now. Nobara automatically detects Nvidia hardware during installation and installs the proprietary drivers. No need to visit forums or type a single command. This includes support for features like hardware acceleration, screen recording, and gaming optimizations. Even advanced setups like hybrid GPUs or laptops with Nvidia Optimus are better handled on Nobara compared to traditional distros. In short, Nobara makes Nvidia just work, and that's a huge deal. Fedora-based Nobara is built on Fedora, one of the most respected, secure, and stable Linux bases available. But while Fedora is known to be developer-friendly, it often lacks out-of-the-box convenience. Nobara fixes that by adding support for multimedia codecs, third-party applications, gaming tools, and performance patches, without sacrificing Fedora's reliability. You still get all the benefits of Fedora: speed, security, regular updates, and a modern experience, but with much less friction for desktop users and gamers. It's like Fedora with superpowers. True out-of-the-box experience. Most Linux distros require you to configure your system after installation, installing drivers, setting up tools, enabling codecs, etc. Nobara skips all that. From the moment you boot, everything is ready. Video editing, gaming, streaming, web browsing, even productivity. Whether you choose KDE Plasma or Genome, the desktop environments are polished, responsive, and well integrated with Nobara's enhancements. In other words, you install it, and you're done. It's designed for real users who don't want to waste time. They just want to game, work, and create. As you've seen, Nobara Project doesn't just deliver on gaming performance. It also makes content creation seamless and hassle-free. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.